Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you might have noticed, a lot of you probably have not noticed, but there are keen-eyed people out there that see everything and analyze everything. In the May Patch Tuesday updates, of course, we talk about secure boot certificates that are being updated all the time because it's going to be in effect in June, where the new certificates will replace. It's important that they replace the old ones. So some people have noticed that there's a new folder on their C drive. So if you go into the C drive on your computer and go into the Windows folder, you will notice that there's something now called Secure Boot. This wasn't there before. It was created with this Patch Tuesday update, and it contains scripts that are meant for IT people mostly. Microsoft says, even though they're pushing it to every machine out there, that it's better to leave it alone, not to delete anything. And it comes with the fact that we are now getting with new secure boot certificates on our PCs. So if you look at your Windows folder and say, hey, this wasn't there before. Yep, it wasn't there before. It arrived this month. Actually, you could see the date it created, which was pretty much the date of the Patch Tuesday updates that we received. So this is normal, and it's a normal behavior that we have this secure boot folder now. So it is, of course, a month away for the certificates to be applied. Microsoft, once again, as it was actually talking about this new folder, says don't worry about it. Windows Update will update all the certificates on every machine that it's compatible. It will update the certificates. Some of you might still not have them, but they're coming, and each update, each Patch Tuesday, including the June Patch Tuesday, will increase the number of machines that have the brand new Secure Boot certificates installed on their computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.